main part of this DIY gym will be the structure that will attach to the tree. This will simply be two 4x4 pieces of wood that are used to hold up the punching bag, pull-up bar, and TRX bands. I cut the pieces to allow room for the length of the 4-foot pull-up bar in between the 4x4 and the tree, while also leaving about 2 feet of the top post for the punching bag to be attached to. Everything in this product will be attached and supported with metal brackets to allow for the strength needed to handle the weight of this outdoor gym. For the top post of the tree, I'm attaching right angle metal brackets to each end of the post. I'm also going to drill in a 3-inch lag bolt through the center of this post into the tree for extra rigidness. This is a great point to stop and thank the sponsor of this video, the Home Depot. They supplied me with the new Ryobi 1 Plus tools to get this product done, and for this one, the new Ryobi impact wrench helps secure the post of the tree. Many people might not know the difference between an impact wrench and an impact driver, but the basic point is that when an impact driver can help apply most of its force forward from the tool, an impact wrench puts more of the motor's energy into rotating power, which is perfect for screwing lag bolts into tough places like a tree. This specific tool has 3 settings that let you change the amount of torque it'll apply, as well as an auto setting that will put the amount of force until it reaches its automatic limit. This is really a great tool and makes projects like this a breeze to put together. Thanks again Home Depot and Ryobi, and let's get back to the build. Now we need to drill some holes that match the diameter of the wooden dowel into both the tree and the vertical post. I'm using a red oak dowel to allow it to be extra rigid. I also picked up this extra large storage container from the Home Depot so that we can store away all of the workout gear when we aren't using it, and this one is large enough to also fit the punching bag, which is great. Then I wrapped a battle rope around the tree and laid down some blue mats with a medicine ball. Finally, I drilled a hole through the top post that can fit a rod with a hook that will be used to hold up the punching bag. I also attached some TRX bands to the vertical post for some extra exercise options. Finally, I stained the wood a dark walnut stain to match the tree, and then we're all done. I absolutely love how simple this product was and how easy it was to set up a gym outdoors, especially during these tougher times to actually find a gym that you can go to. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to follow along with the rest of my projects. As always, thanks again for watching.